Today I'm installing the pollen filter on a 2015 Volkswagen Passat. This is right underneath the glove box. So you undo these three little plastic fasteners. Just do them with your hands. They're not very tight. Kind of just pull this down. Sorry, there's only two of them, but and there's your filter housing. You take it and you slide it towards the outside of the car, and it comes right down. So pull this down. Makes a huge mess. Gonna need to get the shop vac out. Take the new one. Just stick it in. Make sure these hooks go through the little slots on the filter like this. Slide it back in place. Pull down on it a little bit, make sure it's not going to fall out. Take your little cover, stick that back in here. Kind of a pain to get them in right. Mess with it a little bit. Make sure your little screws are lined up. Run those back in. It's all just finger tight. Alright, once those are in, what I have to do now is clean up your mess. I'm going to get the shop vac out and take care of all this, and it's all set. Thanks.